Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset Audi A3 inspection light full guide. Turn the ignition to accessory, press and hold the trip reset button, and cycle the ignition 3 times while holding the button. Watch the dashboard prompts and release when the service menu appears. Use the steering wheel buttons to navigate to reset, then confirm the action. If the light returns, check for stored fault codes with a scanner. In this video, I will show how to reset Audi A3 inspection light full guide. Start by ensuring the battery terminals are clean and tight to avoid losing settings. Keep the key fob or ignition key handy and have an OBD2 scanner ready if the light persists. A scanner will reveal stored codes and save you time if a deeper issue exists. Follow step sequences carefully to avoid unnecessary resets. In this video, I will show how to reset Audi A3 inspection light full guide. With the ignition in accessory, press and hold the trip reset button until the service menu shows. Cycle the ignition off and on while continuing to hold the button until the reset prompt appears. Navigate to the inspection option, confirm the reset, and watch the light turn off. If it stays lit, scan for stored codes before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.